Alright folks, so today we're doing a no bullshit oil change on the Indian Scout. There's lots of stuff around the internet, lots of misleading crap. We're going to do it right. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need is Indian Scout oil change kit. It's got everything you need, don't f around with anything else. Next you need a socket wrench, 3/8 preferable, 6mm hex bolt, and of course a torque wrench to make sure you're on spec. It's no secret we're working with hot oil here, so you don't want to get your hands all f***ed up, so you wear gloves. Then you wear some old motorcycle gloves to protect your hands from getting burnt on the hot f***ing headers that are right on top of the filler plug. Your oil drain pan complete with dead frog and old coolant you haven't taken out in over a year. Oh, and of course we need one of these. So this is the point at which we access the drain plugs. That was way tight. So real quick about the oil filter. A lot of people seem to think that you need to remove the horn to get to it. I don't think that's the case. If your dealer installed the oil filter correctly, you should just be able to untighten it with your hand. You know, really giving it though. And if you can't do that, go to the gym. See, there's the horn, and right behind it is the oil filter. There. It's cramped, it's not the best design, but honestly, you can get your hand in there. Not too bad. New crush washers, very important. Okay, so it is at this juncture where you have 3 quarts of oil in the engine. The engine takes about 3 quarts and 16 ounces to be totally full with the new oil filter. But I don't exactly know how much oil was in the engine when I drained it, so we're going to measure. Make sure you tighten this all the way down once you get it down there. And once it's tight, we're going to pull the bike up, get it upright, and then get an accurate measurement. As you can see, the dipstick is totally soaked. So what we're going to do now is we are going to start the engine and get the oil cycling. I've already taken the rag and I've wiped up the plugs to check for any leaks, and I'm not seeing anything so far, so let's go ahead and get it measured now. As you can see, we got oil down to about right there, so let's keep adding some. Alright, so we're possibly going to add right up to here on the 16 ounce mark, but I'm just going to go to the 8 first. Meaning, wait for it to get down to 24. We went a little bit past 24, but I won't tell anyone if you don't. Okay, so apparently I was not recording. However, we got the actual dipstick in after adding just enough oil, almost a little bit past the 16 ounce mark. You can see we're right there below 16, and we're perfect. We're not exactly totally full, and we are above halfway through the fill line. So, we good. No bullshit oil change. Clean this shit up and get out of here and start riding. Thanks for watching. Peace.